Hey, good morning, guys. Here we are, I guess, morning after, day after of the installation of our AC amp. So this thing's been sitting here for about, I don't know, good 9, 10 hours. It's pretty chilly, not too cold. But based on the previous experience with the old part, it would have still, hesitated to start. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna start it as I would any other car. I had gotten used to waiting a little bit, so let's see. And there it is. Magic. So thanks for watching, guys. So here we have it. I guess success. So hit me up with any messages, comments. Till next time.